Morning everyone. As you can see, the shrimp is having eggs. So if your shrimps don't have eggs and they are not growing in your tank, that means something is wrong in your tank. So then you need to find out what can be the problem in your tank. Is it the water? Is it the environment that's not right? So as you can see, she is cleaning her eggs. So we're waiting for the hatching of the babies, and it's not only this little one, there is more that's going to give some babies. So don't forget, don't just feed them flakes. You need to give them healthy food, iron food, so your iron protein food. So your iron food will be spinach, one of the leaves that you can give 3 times a week. Don't forget to remove the uneaten food.